I got this idea from Jason Verbelli, aka TheRealVerbz, to test whether one can influence water, or what he suggested, putting rice in water and then giving the rice water negative thoughts, or ignoring it, or giving it positive thoughts. And I didn't have rice, so I used oats, and this is the result. This container, I gave a little cross there, and just to mark it as the negative container. The middle one has no marking on it, and the positive one, I gave a little correct mark there. And I did this for approximately a week or 8 or 9 days, and this is the result. It's amazing. I can't believe it myself, but this is it. And I'm going to do it again just to confirm that it really does work. So what I did was, I basically growled at this sometimes, and I said, I hate you, or I don't like you much, or you're disgusting, despicable. And sometimes I didn't verbalize it, but I just thought it, but I visualized the thoughts going into the contents of the container. This one I just ignored every time, as Jason suggested. And this one I really tried to send waves or thoughts of love into the contents. And I would sweet talk it and tell it it's beautiful, it's lovely, and sometimes just stroke the container. So basically this idea originally came from Dr. Masaru Emoto, a Japanese professor. I think in the 90s he did some experiments, and that's probably what Jason was referring to. And I didn't think one could do it with anything but water, because Dr. Emoto did it with water, which he then froze, which formed crystals. And I didn't realize, I wouldn't have the instruments to check out those crystals. But when Jason suggested just doing it with something else like rice, and then checking out how it molds or ferments, that's easy enough, and that anyone can do. So I did it, and this is the result. So that's all I wanted to comment on, and I'll probably load up some other experiments in a few weeks' time. Cheers.